As the wavelength shortens even more, we reach a form of light that even birds and bees can't see. We've now reached the domain of X-rays. And the shorter the wavelength, the more energy the rays have, which gives X-rays some very strange properties. This part of the spectrum was unknown until 1895, when German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen began studying electrical discharges passing through vacuum tubes. As part of his experiments, he passed high-voltage discharges through the tubes. In one experiment, he wanted to stop light from spilling out of the tube, so he covered the apparatus with black cardboard and checked it carefully to make sure it blocked out all visible light. But even with the vacuum tube completely covered, he noticed a faint glow coming from a fluorescent screen further along his workbench. He was intrigued and carried out more experiments. He found that the fluorescent screen was being stimulated by rays that could pass through cardboard. At first, he didn't know what these mysterious rays were, so he called them X-rays. And these rays didn't just pass through cardboard, they could go through human flesh. Placing light-sensitive paper inside a sealed box, he persuaded his wife to place her hand on the box and exposed her hand to X-rays. The developed picture showed that X-rays pass through flesh, but not bone or metal. The first image of a skeleton. X-rays pass through solids because their wavelengths are so short they have very high energy. And these high-energy rays have completely transformed medicine and biology. We can now produce moving X-ray images. A pig eating. A duck eating. And X-rays can be used to create art. Photographer Nick Vesey uses X-rays to create images of everyday objects, quite literally in a new light. He uses technology to make the invisible visible, and the results are startling.